looks a little bit more complicated than the last three. Right, the understanding in here, there's a multiplication sign. Right, it's not something absent there, that's the understanding. A dot or a multiplication sign. Right, this one here should alternate the sign for us. Here we'll just calculate something numerical like we did in the last couple of problems. But it's the same procedure. We just replace the end by 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively and then calculate. Alright, so here we go. A1, A2, A3, A4. Alright, now, n gets replaced by 1 here. We'll have -1 raised to the power of 1 plus 1. Here the n gets replaced by 1. N plus 1 is 1 plus 1. And here, this is 3 times 1 plus 1. Alright, this is -1 raised to the power of 2. -1 squared. Alright, so it's going to be just 1. Here, 2 to the power of 2. 2 squared is 4. Here we've got 3 times 1 is, 3 plus 1 is 4. Alright, so that cancels nicely, just 1. Alright, now with n equal to 2, just make the substitutions again. We get -1. Right, the power it's raised to 2 plus 1. Here we've got 2. Raise the power of 2 plus 1. And here 3 times 2 plus 1. Alright, if we put the numbers in, what do we get? This is -1 to the power of 3, which means -1 times -1 times -1. Right, it's -1. You all know now, -1 cubed here, -1 cubed is going to be -1. Here, this is 2 to the power of 3, which of course is 2 cubed. And of course that number is 8. And down here we've got 3 by 2 is 6, plus 1, 7. So we end up with -8 on 7. Alright, the next one. N gets replaced by 3 this time, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. Alright, here we go. -1. 3 plus 1. 2 to the power of 3 plus 1. 3 times 3 plus 1. Alright, now, this time, 3 plus 1 is even. We've got -1 raised to an even power. It must be plus 1. -1 to the 4th power will be plus 1. Alright, so here, 1. Here, 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 to the 4th power is 16. Down here, 3 by 3 plus 1. Well, it's 9 plus 1 and it's 10. So we get 16 on 10. And that'll come down because they're both even numbers, just 8 on 5. Alright, our fourth term. Here we go. I might move that down a little bit, I think. A4, -1. N gets replaced by 4. Here we've got 2 to the power of 4 plus 1. Down here, 3 times 4 plus 1. So we end up with -1 raised to the power of 5. Right, -1 raised to an odd power. It must be -1. Here, 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 to the 5th power is 32. Here, 3 times 4 plus 1, 12 plus 1 is 13. Alright, well it's clearly negative. Even number on the top, odd number on the bottom. There won't be any common factors. That's how it is. Yes, and of course, as Dr. Buntloff just reminds me, it's an alternating sequence. Can you see the sign? Maybe I'll change the colour. I've got a red pen. Right, this one is 1, but of course the understanding is there's a plus sign there. Right, this one here, it's negative 8/7, but you'll notice right there the sign is negative. So the first term's positive, the next term's negative, and then after that there's an understood plus sign here again, and then of course here it's negative. When it alternates or changes sign, plus, minus, we call it an alternating sequence. An alternating